you know what? Mayor Dave Bing is here with us to support Thaw. And tell me, Mr. Mayor, a lot of challenges in the city, in the suburbs all over this state. What do you think of when you think of the need in terms of people needing assistance with their utilities at this time of year?
Well, the first thing we've got to do, in my opinion, is understand that the economy that we're in is one of the worst that we've seen in our lifetime. And there are people who never thought that they would need help. Who need help right now. And people, it's unfortunate that a lot of folks who haven't needed help are embarrassed to ask for help. And if you don't ask, maybe you don't get help. So there are a lot of us who can afford to help people who are less fortunate than us, and we've got to do that. We've all got to come together as a community.
And do you know of anyone that has ever had their utilities shut off, and just the agony that can cause someone?
I served on DTE's board for 20 years, and having been in the city for so long, yeah, I know people personally that have had, their gas or electric, their phones turned off. And it's a tough thing to deal with, but once again, you got to ask for help. You can't be so prideful that you don't want anybody to know that you're in that kind of situation.
And a lot of people, they're struggling to make ends meet, but they're able to maintain the bills and whatnot, and may not be thinking that maybe they could give just a little to help someone else, like Marie said earlier, their neighbor keep their utilities on. What would you say to those people who can give a little bit, and those who can give a lot, frankly, what kind of challenge would you issue to them?
Well, I think we as a community have always been supportive of a lot of different causes, and I don't think there's any cause that's so great today than to help people in need. There are foundations that are struggling today. They could be gone to and asked for support historically, but they're struggling. There are corporations that have come to the community for support. They're struggling. As individuals and in this community, those of us who can afford to help somebody else, this is the time they need us, and we've got to come forward.